What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I made 3 videos yesterday or 2 days ago. So just got defeated. So my brother plays Pixelgun 3D too, but I didn't get to see him a lot. I don't see him in Pixelgun 3D. It really sucks because I thought that I could see him. My brother's right now, he's on level 13 and 14. I'm just on level 9. On my mom's tablet, yeah, I'm on level 9. But I'm not sure if I'm on this one. I got $10. What the heck I got $10 for? I can't believe I have $10. I don't know. What that's fun. It scared me. What does this thing do? I'm not sure. Right. So, I just got watched out. If you get 100 subscribers, I just watched this video. If you get 100 subscribers, if you're a YouTuber, you get the die play button or the bronze play button. I'm just wishing if I could get a play button, because if I get one, if you're one of the YouTubers that helped me or subscribed, I will subscribe on your videos and I will put a like. If you're a YouTuber out there and help me or subscribe, and if I get the bronze play button, I'll subscribe for you and put a link. So, you know how I became a YouTuber, guys? I'll tell you how. First, I got this, I can't believe, I just got this little app thing. I think it's called Play Games. So I got it, I installed it, and then I just made one video, and it said save to gallery. So I went to gallery, I watched it, and then I pressed this little button that said share, and then I pressed YouTube. Then it said which title do you want to name your YouTube, your video, and I just named it my first video. So I put it in YouTube and boom. So this is like my 4th video right now. I haven't been making videos for a long time. I made like 3 videos, like you can watch them on YouTube, of course, on YouTube. So there's my 4th one. It's a new one of me. Subscribe and press that little bell thing. If you press it, then it will let you know that I'll make a video, like a new video. I just tell you on your phone or tablet, any device. So I just need to go somewhere right now. I'm going to stop right here, guys. I'm sorry. I'll continue this video when I get back. Bye, guys.